Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got something special. So first, I have this 1 GB of RAM, which I'm definitely sure is DDR2 from a company I never heard of. And I also found this WD Scorpio Blue hard drive that's 5400 RPM with, of course, 500 gigabytes. It's of course SATA, as you can see right here. And it has a whopping speed right here. So that's 3.0 gigabytes per second, basically. So yeah, since that's really old. Yep, now this SSD these days. I found these stuff on an old laptop on my garage. And I was curious to see what it was. What it has, actually. I don't remember what kind of laptop it was, but I'm definitely sure it was an Dell Inspiron, the revealed one. And it ran Windows XP with an Intel Centrino Duo. I don't know how to say it. As you can see from the hard drive, it says that it's made in, well, February 24th, 2012. And most of you are like, how does it have a 2012 hard drive? How does it have a hard drive even though Windows XP laptops were made in early 2000s? That's a good question. Well, the answer is, I do not know. Maybe it got upgraded. And I don't know how I'm supposed to know. Cause I was born in the late 2000s basically, so I don't know. I bet you 100% my parents brought this before I was born. 100%. I bet. I mean, well, the CPU, the Centrino, came out two weeks before I was born, so that's 2006. And it's not my fault that I don't know, basically. So yeah, that's basically it. The 1 GB of RAM and the hard drive. That's it basically. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment for more stuff. Links will be in the description below. So this is me signing off.